Hi, my name is Emma. Today I'm going to be doing a teeth whitening kit called White with Style. And I'd like to thank White with Style for partnering with me in this video because I really needed to whiten my teeth. They were extremely yellow and I'm very glad that I had the opportunity to do this. And I'm thankful for them for sending this to me because it worked and now I have white teeth. I already did 3 whole treatments and my teeth are at this. If you use our code down below, you get 90% off, and the regular price for this is over $200, but with our code, you get it for like $28. The results are actually very dramatic, and I would recommend you do this. It's very nice, and it worked well for me. So what comes in the kit are 2 moldable teeth trays. Mine are already molded, and I've already used them, so they're right here. And then we have the whitening serum and the activator light. It also comes with a teeth shading chart. This way you can tell where you are and where you will be, because I started at maybe 8 or 9 and now I'm down to like 3. So that's great. And I'm very happy that it worked, and now I'm going to show you the process. So day 1, treatment number 1, I already did the teeth mold thing. I have them right here. So one of the things that they have in it is a teeth whitening shade guide, and I'm around 9. So step 1 is to brush your teeth and floss them. Now it is time to begin the process. And for this, I take the solution and I put tiny dots where the teeth go in the molds. And you put very small amounts because you don't want it to get on your gums. Ooh, that's probably a 5, which is much better than what I had. Went up like 4 different color shades, which is really cool for like my first time doing it. Now it's time for treatment number 2. I'm starting at like a 5 or a 6 right now. It's a week later, so now I'm gonna be doing this. Let's see. I started off at 5 and I went to 3, so that is really good for only the second time using it. All right, treatment number 3. Alright, so I have finished treatment number 3 and I'm going to check at where I am now. So, what I've gotten after this is just maintaining what I had last time, which was a 3. So to make my teeth even whiter, I'm going to be putting on red lipstick because if you don't know, there's a trick that if you put that on, it makes it seem brighter. So this is Kat Von D red lipstick, Underage Red. So now you can see what it looks like with red lipstick on, which I'm sure makes them look just a little bit whiter. I'm very happy with the results. My teeth were super yellow before. I was at like 8 or 9, and now I'm down to 3, which is great progress, and I really enjoy it. So if you're interested, go ahead and click that link and use our code. It's only $28 with the link down below and the code KittiesMama. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow me on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. Click these red tabs to watch videos, click this circle to subscribe. Bye.